Modern medicine can run every test on you and tell you the results are perfectly normal, and yet you still feel like something is clearly off. That gap is exactly why so many people are turning back to older, more holistic traditions for answers modern medicine was never really built to give. I'm Amity Acharya, author of The Secrets of the Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of holistic medicine that's been mapping exactly this kind of everyday imbalance for 2000 years. And here's the part other medicines never take into account. You were born with a constitution, and we refer to this as your Prakriti, which is fixed. But right now, something in you is out of balance, and we call this your Vikriti, which changes all the time. Almost no one measures this second one, but the Ayurveda science was built entirely around it, which is why we created the free Dosha Veda quiz. It can do what a blood test simply can't. It reveals both your Prakriti and your Vikriti, showing who you were built to be and exactly how out of balance you are right now. Only then, based on the results, can we offer you real, natural steps to restore your balance. Best foods, herbs, daily habits, all matched to you specifically. Take the free quiz, the links below. It only takes minutes and it might explain more than your last 3 doctor's appointments combined.